I'm going to show you guys how to make a easy do-it-yourself icy hot pad. If you want it hot, you could put it in the microwave. If you want it cold, you could put it in the freezer. Alright, first you're going to need some pinto beans, rice. You could fill it up with whatever you want, something like a dry bean. And I took my kids' old pants when they were kids, and I cut one of the legs off, flipped them inside out, and now we're over here with our sewing machine. You can hand sew this if you want to, but I flipped it inside out and I sewed it, and we got it all sewed. We're gonna fill it up with the beans, and then we're gonna sew this end after we flip it. All right, we're gonna flip this inside out. Little pant leg that we got. Sorry for the loud kids, they're a little excited over there. If you guys could hear that. All right. And when you put these in here, what you're gonna do later is just microwave them. I don't know how long, maybe a few minutes. My grandma used to make these. And man, when you got injured and she put that on you, it felt good for about 30 minutes. She actually had a couple of them. She would rotate them. So now we got that all flipped. It's almost like a long sock. You see that? But it's not a sock, it's a pant leg. All right. All right, so now we're gonna fill these pinto beans up. I'm sure any beans will work. Just picked up this bag for a few bucks. One second. It's hard doing this. Got one hand, no help. Just kidding. All right, so fill it up. That filled up real nice. It's almost at the top. I thought I was gonna have to mix some rice in here, but to make up for the missing part, but not really. I think dang, that worked just right. I swear it did, watch. I'm at the top. I'm actually gonna pack them down a little harder. Look at that, guys. I'm at the top. So next I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and I'm gonna seal that. Microwave. My kid injured her foot, so she does gymnastics. And I'm gonna surprise her with this, something Grandma used to make. Over here at my sewing machine, I'm just gonna sew this real quick. Right, we got that all done, it's all sewed. Easy to make. If you bought something like this, it probably cost you around 30 bucks. We're gonna take it to the microwave and hand it to the kid's hurt leg. We're gonna go for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, we got this all done, and we're gonna put it on her foot. It just feels warm. What do you think? How does that feel?
Good.
Does it?
Yeah.
So that's like a what? Icy hot pad? What would you say?
I don't know.
But it does feel better now?
Yeah.
We tried putting ice on it, but you know how that goes. It doesn't work as good as this. So. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, good.